Hello everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, take the stripes of a sheet and paste it nicely. Now start pasting it into the circular way as shown in the video and make 6 out of it, and then make the each pair out of it as shown. Now take another sheet and fold it into half and fold the edges out of it, turn it over and then fold it as shown in the video and make a beak out of it. It will look like this. Now paste the sheets as shown and it's done. For the next one, take a sheet and then cut it nicely as shown in the video, and then take it all together and cut the edges out of it. Then take a paper cup and start pasting the sheets very nicely on the edges of it as shown in the video, and keep pasting the sheets in an alternative way as it will start looking like this. Now keep pasting it, it will look like this. Turn it over. Now paste it nicely and it's done. Cute, right? For the next one, take a paper cup and then cut it from the middle as shown in the video. Now cut it nicely. Now take the bottom part of it and then cut it from the middle and from the sides. It will look like this, and then paste it all together. Now start coloring it and make the cute little eyes. It's done. For the next one, take a sheet and then fold it into half. Now start making the shape of a leaf as shown in the video and cut it nicely. Now attach the lollipop in the middle and then paste it nicely and paste the leaves. It's done. For the next one, take a sheet and then fold it into half and then another half. Now start folding it all together. It will look like this, and then open it from the one side. Now fold the edges from the opposite side as it will look like this. Now repeat each and every process very nicely and it's all done. For the next one, take a sheet and fold it from 4 sides. Now start folding it into half as it will look like this, and then again cut the edges of it. Now start folding the edges and then the top bottom of it and attach it all together and it's done. For this one, take 2 strings and then tie it from the middle. Now take each portion and roll it very nicely and gently. Now keep rolling all 4 portions of the strings as shown in the video. Once you are complete rolling, take the another string and tie it from the middle and then keep roll it and it's all done. For the next one, take the strings and then roll it nicely. Now start rolling it as shown in the video. It will look like this, and then attach it with the help of a glue gun. Now take another string and then put it inside it and roll it. Now take another string and make a bow shape like out of it and then attach it. It's done. For this one, take a sheet and then fold it into half. Now fold the edges out of it as shown in the video. Repeat the process. Now cut it out nicely. Now open it all together and start folding the edges out of it into the pentagon shape, and then keep folding it until it will look like this. Now bring it all together and it's done. Thanks for watching.